Hi there, welcome to the Grind and Vine. Today we're gonna be making our lavender honey iced latte, which is one of our most popular drinks here at the cafe. So let's get started. This drink is made with coconut, lavender, and blue spirulina, which creates a nice calming drink for summer or winter, enjoying it indoors or outdoors. And to start this drink, we use a teaspoon of Blume powder. We bring in some hot water. We're having our Blume branded milk frother that we use to make this slushy. So today we're using coconut milk. So we're gonna put the ice in first. It's totally your preference, but we find it best tastes with coconut. Just a dab of honey to your likeness of sweetness and give it a good shake for a few minutes. So this makes a nice light blue drink with a foamy top. Nice comfort, relaxing drink to enjoy here at the Grind and Vine.